Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to try to replace the dispenser drip tray on this GE refrigerator. Let's get started. To remove the drip tray, slide your fingers under the tray, then gently pull towards you. If you have a bad dispenser drip tray and need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the tray, align it and push it until it snaps in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.